Okay, this one is on today and tomorrow, and it started about 2.5 hours ago.
Okay.
God, it's 11:45.
Wow, yeah, we were there for
Almost 2 hours.
yeah. Yeah, that's gonna be it.
So I think just park right there.
Yeah.
So this is 213, so we're still not even at it.
Oh,
And that's not it either, so.
unless it was a typo in the paper. Again.
Yeah, because I wouldn't write it down wrong.
No, you never would do that.
Never. Well, it would be 312 though if I wrote it down wrong.
Well, would it?
That one was a
I'm sure you have multiple talents in how to screw that up.
That one was a typo though, remember? I showed you.
It was, yeah, it actually was.
Yeah. So I was like, no, because I always think I'm so careful.
Yeah.
But then. Hi.
Hello.
Good. How are you doing?
Great, thank you.
This is a $10 per
Wow, we should tell Carla about this.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell your friends, tell your family.
This would be
Her cousin does a lot of like macrame and uses a lot of
Crocheting
yarn and stuff. So
Yeah.
she should. Hey, Betty.
Hey.
How are you?
Finding some treasures?
Hope you're doing good.
cute.
Oh yeah.
Can do some decorating.
Well, I always put silk flowers out in my vases, but I like the little ones.
Yes, they look
So-
really real.
Yeah.
Did you look in all of these yet?
Yeah, it's mostly beads.
This is what I saw from the side.
What? Oh. Oh my God.
That's an old one.
Yeah. Get out of here.
What's this one now?
Whose peg is this?
33 cents. That's an old one. That looks like Canadian Tire.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is.
Is it? Oh yeah.
When did they sell flowers?
Who knows?
A long
I
time
thought it would
ago.
have Gales or something on it,
Yeah.
but
Yeah, that one's just Canadian Tire. Anyway.
That's funny.
These are all ribbons down here.
oh yes, I see.
Mostly yarn here, but
Yeah, a lot of yarn.
Yeah.
So I,
Patterns.
And
Okay.
yeah. Like
Yeah.
how old is that?
Yeah.
Hey? Looks pretty simple though.
Yeah,
It's pretty straight lines.
Some of
So
the stuff we looked it up. It's 60s, 50s, 70s,
Yeah.
80s, like it, but it starts in the 50s.
yeah.
So there's
reminds me. We know a girl that collects patterns.
Oh, yeah.
So hopefully she comes to your sale because she'll like
yeah,
lose
these are
her
mine.
mind.
Could send her a
We're doing
quick
them at $2
message.
a pattern, too. Like
Yeah, that's great.
Like some of these are marked for $10 and in the 60s.
And that was back
Yeah,
then.
exactly,
Yeah.
exactly,
When
yeah.
$10 was
Oh yeah.
a lot of money.
Oh yeah.
Heat holders. Maybe you need the feel inside there.
I don't. My feet don't really get cold.
Soft.
Wow. It is warm.
Maybe I know.
You need those
I wonder how
more
much
than I do.
things are.
Oh, are you guys ready to pay?
Yeah. I just have these two things.
Josh, how much do you want these for?
$2.
Okay. So $250.
Oh, what's
How much is that?
Oh, this desk. Yes.
Yes. Interested?
Maybe.
Possibly. We're
What do you think?
250 here. I'll pay you first, and then we'll go look at that.
Yeah, you can't leave without furniture. Come on.
I know.
Oh, yeah.
I know. It's kind of our thing. It's old
Thank
furniture.
you. And we're here with our truck, so you know. Wow, that's nice.
Solid wood.
Yeah.
They don't make it like that anymore.
That's gonna be oak.
Yeah. Wow. It's
Gorgeous, eh?
it's nice on the back.
The
Yeah.
quarter sawn.
Oh, refinishing?
Yeah.
Yeah. Restain.
She does furniture work, so that's
Oh, good. Excellent.
that's why she's
that's
possibly
so
looking at it.
Yeah. Isn't it cool?
It's nice.
Like, do you have a ballpark of what you're thinking you want, or
I don't know. What do you? Give me an idea.
Like, was it always a desk, I wonder? Like,
Yeah.
or was it a dresser? It's just, but maybe, because it's just low, that's why.
Oh, he was in a wheelchair.
Oh,
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
makes sense.
Yeah, so everything's lowered.
Okay.
You know? Yeah, it still fits an office chair because I was using it.
Oh yeah.
Think you'd put feet or something on it, or wheels to raise it up a little bit?
It may be.
Casters,
Yeah.
Good idea.
Old metal wheels.
And where would we put it?
I don't know. I thought you'd just redo it and.
Yeah.
Hey there.
There's a fire on the power line in the backyard.
Holy
Oh. I thought, yeah, I was wondering.
I was smelling some smoke too,
But with the fires, you just never know. Like,
Yeah, no kid.
oh my god.
oh boy, some excitement at the garage sale.
Yeah. Can you see
I
it?
can't see it.
Oh.
I don't really want to intrude.
No.
Fire's out.
It's out already? Yeah, that can be scary.
Yeah.
It's already out.
Oh, good. Like it just went out on its own?
I don't know.
Oh.
Possibly.
So then we replace what's in the library with that. That's because I like this one better.
Oh, do you?
caught on fire.
It's bigger though. I don't know what to offer on it.
Or you don't have to.
Wow. If it's a good price, I don't want to leave it, but
Yeah.
but it does,
What's the most you're willing to spend?
Like it needs. It's quite worn in
Yeah,
there.
it's rough.
Yeah, and like
Should I offer 30?
yeah. Yes, it's got a big gouge here. Like something got dropped on it,
Yeah.
and is here missing. But
And is this just fumed oak? Is it just painted on?
I don't think so. I don't think it's painted on.
Okay.
It's so dirty.
Yeah, it's pretty dirty. It's really dirty.
Yeah.
What's the verdict?
Well, we're gonna try and make an offer.
Yeah.
But it's
because
rough.
they don't
It
have
needs some work.
They don't have a price in mind or no.
Happy hunting, Betty.
Yeah, good to see you.
Hey guys,
Hey.
So
think of a price?
it's rough. It's gonna need some work. But what do you think about $30?
$30?
Or is that?
That's I think too low. Yeah. $30.
I mean, we can swing by later, and if it's still here,
Okay, yeah.
you know, you can think about maybe what you guys want for it, and
Sure, yeah, that works. That works. I gotta figure out about this fire.
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's a little bit of excitement for the morning that you
Yeah.
didn't plan on.
Okay.
Let me know if you guys swing back later.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thanks again.
Yep.
Good luck.
Wasn't meant to be, I guess.
Yeah. No, that's okay.
That is okay.
I like the desk that we've got up there.
I do
It's
too.
nice.
It is. And it's quarter sawn too.
Yeah.
It fits the space. That one's nice on the back side even though. Ermagerd. I get annoyed when they don't know.
I know. Yeah, it's hard to be the buyer and the seller.
It is.
I don't like that.
And then, oh, that's too low. But then no counter offer.
Yeah. That's the thing. Like, I don't
So
know what
you do
want.
have a number in mind.
I don't know what you want from us.
Yeah. Okay, this one is on today only, and it started about 2.5 hours ago. And there's a dresser and bookcases at it.
Okay. Maybe. If they're still there.
There was, anyway.
Yeah.
There's a possibility that there is.
Can't park here.
Yeah, you are right here though.
Okay.
Can't you?
Yeah.
Oh, the dresser's still there.
Oh, yeah.
And
the
looks like a
bookcase.
bookcase.
Yeah.
It says bookcases, so we'll see. Okay.
Uh-oh.
And puff wheat, or Rice Krispie.
Yeah. Hello.
$5.
It's out popcorn Rice Krispies.
I see that. Except I spent all my money on the chips.
Let's hard lesson to learn that you don't spend your money on.
Fork it over, lady.
No. Chestnut tree. Weird.
Yeah.
And here's the dresser.
How much for that? 15.
Oh, no, it's just off the track.
The bottom's kind of detached from the rest of the body on that one. At the back.
Yeah, it needs some work, that's for sure. I don't know.
Are you tired?
Yeah.
I'd be surprised if you don't get that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
For 15.
How do you know I'm tired?
Because you're like hemming and hawing about it. I'm like, really? Morning.
Hi. This one's $5. Probably get that too.
Okay.
Petrified wood?
Is it?
I think
How much
so.
is it? $25 though.
Oh, is it? Oh, yeah.
Oh, it is though.
It's heavy.
It's cool.
Yeah, it's cool. Free stuff. Oh, little. It's cute. Wonder if Mom could use that on one of the teddy bears. I bet she could. Look at that. Oh, this one has kitties on it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look at that one too. Okay, so 20, I guess then, hey?
Just that and the dresser. You don't want the shelving unit?
No, just,
Okay.
yeah.
We're going to grab your dresser and your...
And this one too. Okay. And I have these out of the free box.
Okay.
5 and 15.
Sure. Right.
Thank you.
Do you want a hand?
I'll take this one.
It's not too bad.
Good, I'll take the light one.
Okay.
Thank you. I don't know. Maybe I'm mistaken. Maybe that
They're just
one's lighter.
awkward, eh? Yeah. They're so big.
Have a good day. Thanks.
Foot shuffles.
I'll be back.
Oh, you're coming back?
Oh, yeah. Once I steal $5 from you.
Oh, what do you want? I'll grab it.
Popcorn and Rice Krispie.
Okay, one of each. How much is that?
I'm such a junk food
Okay.
fiend. Every time we go to the garage sales, I would always stop at these. Yeah, I bought a $2 bag of chips earlier that's still in the truck. We're the blue truck there, yeah. Kind of parked on the wrong side of the road. This is a busy one.
It is, yeah.
Hey, you caught up to us.
I know.
I'm still
it's a
waiting to
hold up
cross.
here. You
Waiting for breaking traffic. Yeah.
catching your breath or what the hell?
So heavy.
I know. I got the heavy one. That's what I always tell him. Tell me you got the heavy side. Yeah. It's got the side with the motor on it.
I don't know what kind of.
What the hell? Is there a parade or what?
That's why I said we parked on the wrong side of the road for this sale.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks for your help, man.
Yeah,
Really appreciate it.
it.
Yeah, happy to help.
We can get it from here. You don't have to.
Yes.
Awesome. Good luck today.
You. Take care. Oh. Okay.
Just lay it on his back, or?
Yeah. This one's old. I'm gonna build a door for it, I think.
Okay.
Does it? Can you close?
Yeah, it might have to be. Maybe on its side.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Wow. Nice.
Yeah. Thank you for making me buy those. Are you tired? Yes.
That's how I knew that you're tired.
Yeah.
Busy street.
Yeah.
Wow. Awesome. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
You're the
honey.
best.
I know. That was some expensive. Man.
How much were they selling that stuff
$3 for those two little things.
for? So like $1.50 each?
I don't know what the split up was, but it
Okay.
was $3.
That's not bad. I mean, it was $2 for that little bag of chips.
Oh yeah.
So they're out there making their money.
Okay, so now you sure you use the proper card.
Well, it's prepay, so
Yeah, I
do you have
know.
your Petro Points card?
This is in Petro Canada.
Oh, where the f are we? Oh, we're at Shell.
I don't think they take Petro Canada cards.
Great. It hasn't asked me if I want a receipt yet. What do you think it's going to be?
What was it at?
Less than a quarter tank.
133. Oof.
133.9 per liter.
Less than a quarter tank.
So is that what, like $5 a gallon almost?
I want to get back in the truck though.
You can get back in the truck if you want.
Okay. Remember when in my old car it was $30 to fill that thing up. Oh. This doesn't matter.
It matters.
No, it doesn't.
My OCD says it does.
Mine says, hurry up or you're gonna get punched in the mouth.
$110.50.
Thank you.
All right,
That's that.
let's go.